Good afternoon and welcome to my kitchen. The holidays are around the corner. Today is Thursday, the 21st. So I'm trying to hurry to get all my cookies done. Yesterday I did some ginger cookies, the Polish way, pierniczki. And today I want to invite you to bake with me peppermint, chocolate peppermint cookies. Once you make them, the whole house is gonna smell like peppermint, which is a wonderful smell. And I have kołaczkis in the oven right now. Again, welcome to my kitchen and thank you for watching. Yeah, wanna try cookie? Hi. For my peppermint chocolate cookies, I will need 1 1/4 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, 5 tablespoons of butter, and with the sugar it is exactly 120 grams, which is between half a cup and 2/3 of a cup. 1 egg, of course, peppermint chocolate chips, and half of a regular size cream cheese. So I have a KitchenAid, and since it's small project, not too many ingredients, I will just use regular mixer. So I will start with just mixing butter and sugar together. I have mixed my butter and sugar for about 4 minutes. When I see that the sugar is getting incorporated in that butter, I will slowly start adding my cream cheese. And as you can see, it is very soft, very creamy. And now it is time for the egg. And I will put the egg in, but lower my speed. Pinch of salt and baking powder are mixed together with my flour, and I won't use the mixer anymore. I will just slowly pour my flour into that foamy, creamy texture that I have. With those cookies, it's important you don't over mix it because they won't be soft. They will be hard as a rock. So no more mixer, just a spoon, and gently mix it all together. And you mix it until you don't see any dry flour. Now it's time for my chocolate. I will use half a bag, 227 grams. If you like more chocolate, you can always put more chocolate. Just don't overdo it. Okay, mix it in gently and warm up your oven to 345. And now I'm ready to get my cookies on a cookie sheet. Well, actually get my dough on a cookie sheet. And it will be sticky. Don't worry about the shape right now. Just get about the same amount. And once you get it on that sheet, then you can use a dish with water to dip your fingers and flatten those cookies. And now dip fingers in that water to flatten it down so you can see if those are about the same size. It helps a lot having almost the same size, because I know it's hard to weight a sticky cookie, sticky dough, so it won't be exactly, but you know, try best you can, because when you bake those, same size helps with baking evenly. you don't want some of them to be much bigger than the others, because the bigger ones are going to be undercooked and the small ones might be overcooked. So for that reason, it is important to get them almost the same size. I think these are close enough. Look like almost the same size. Now it's time for the second tray. So my oven is preheating to 345 right now, and I have about 2 sheets of those cookies out of this recipe, so 24 cookies. And since we're talking about cookies, it's almost time for Christmas. Today is Thursday, the 21st, the last day of school, and those actually are going to my children's teachers. Yesterday I put a video together how to make Polish style ginger cookies, pierniczkis. So if you're interested, check it out. Those have some plum butter inside of them, and I covered them with chocolate and some powdered sugar. I hope you enjoy those. And as you can see, I have a little elf watching me, waiting for my kids to come back from school. Happy holidays, everybody. 345 for about 15 minutes. So I want to check on those cookies, and it looks like they are done. 14 minutes here. And every oven is a little bit different. So 15 minutes is just general, you can say rule of thumb. But really, the indication your cookies are ready when you see the brownish color on the edges. So I gave you 15 minutes, but it might be 13, 14, 16. So the 15 minutes is just a general time. Every oven is a little bit different. A few months ago, I had a different one, and I loved it. Every time I baked something, I knew exactly how much time, and it never disappointed me. But unfortunately, a couple of burners stopped working, so I had to replace it, and this one is not so great. So the best indication again is when you see the brownish color around the edges, and that means those cookies are ready. So now I will wait about 15 minutes or so and then put powdered sugar on top of them. Thank you for and the mint chocolate, I can smell the mint. Smells like holiday. Ginger, mint. Tomorrow, more stuff coming. So my 15-minute passed. Now I can have my powdered sugar on top. Why do I wait for my cookies to cool off before I put my powdered sugar? Well, because if I put it on hot cookies, it will melt. And I want the powdered sugar to be visible because it just looks pretty. Just like Christmas in some states when you have snow and you have white Christmas, when the snow covers everything outside. It's just beautiful. So here, my cookies are covered in powdered sugar. Unfortunately, I live in Florida, so there is no snow here. But still, my house smells like Christmas. I have ginger cookies. I have peppermint cookies. Tomorrow, I will have my cheesecake. And other things are coming too. Snowing on cookies. And here are my beautiful cookies. Thank you for watching. Smacznego. Since I'm talking about cookies, yesterday I put together a video about ginger cookies. Blah. Yesterday I put together a video about making Polish style ginger cookies, pierniczkis. As you can see, mine is more advanced.